La gente oggi guarda ancora al colore della pelle in tempo di crisi? Secondo lei è giusto dire che Obama è il primo presidente post-razziale?
So I remember I was in the Marine Corps in 1945, and we were treated in the South less well than were German and Italian prisoners of war. But things have improved greatly. But it is a mistake to think that we have cured all of our problems. He's the President of the United States who happens to be black. He's not the black President of the United States. And I think he's doing a fine job.
Pensa che Obama poteva fare di più per l'economia, per la sanità, per inquisire gli ufficiali dell'amministrazione Bush che hanno approvato le torture nelle prigioni di Guantanamo, Bagram e Abu Ghraib?
Well, I won't give you my answer in Italian. I'll just give it to you in English. I don't know that he could have done any more in 100 days. This is something born of the days of Franklin Roosevelt, where they spoke about the accomplishments of 100 days. But there's no magic to 100. It could be 105 or 200 or 50. But I think he's doing fine. To me, the key has been this. During the campaign, and I supported Hillary Clinton, I had no negative comments to make about Obama, but I said that, as others have said before me, you campaign in poetry, but you govern in prose. And so the key has been, now that he is elected, we know he can make a great speech. He can be tremendously eloquent. He is tremendously eloquent. The question is, can he now speak about the substance of the problems we face? And I think he's doing that.
Come giudica i molti afroamericani che non hanno votato per Obama e che tuttora non sono contenti con il suo lavoro?
Well, the number of African Americans who did not vote for Obama in the general election, don't forget the primary, but in the general election, those who did not vote for him are small in number. And I would dare say that you may even find difficulty finding some who will acknowledge that they didn't vote for him. Because there's something strange about the winner. People love a winner. Many of us who are black, we've got friends we didn't know we had now that Obama's in the White House.
Quali sono le similitudini tra la sua esperienza come il primo sindaco afroamericano di New York e il primo presidente afroamericano degli Stati Uniti?
Well, first I should say that I think that being mayor of New York is the second best job in the world, second only to being president of the United States. I think that his problems are the same as a mayor or a governor or anyone else, except they're bigger.